One of my dear friends in the print-on-demand world is a guy named Tom Chalky, and this website is awesome. And I've got a bundle that I want to share with you. Tom Chalky and myself have teamed up to give you an awesome bundle for a really, really big discount. So I'm going to walk through what this bundle entails. This is the Crafty Stax Tom Chalky exclusive bundle. Now it's $34, and I'm going to show you exactly what's in here. This has got thousands of dollars worth of stuff in here. I'm going to scroll through here, and we're going to see the first thing. Vintage graphics bundle. This is actually called the world's greatest vintage collection, and I think it's absolutely true. There's thousands of design assets inside this graphics bundle, and it's worth over $2,500 US. It includes about 1,000 vintage illustrations. It includes a collection of one-of-a-kind paper ephemera scans. I love patterns. It includes over 24 vintage seamless patterns. These are high-res scans. 32 stunning paper textures. These are awesome for backgrounds. We threw a font in there as well, the Hamilton family font, and the value just keeps coming. You know I love maps. There's over 130 high quality maps of the world. These are amazing. They're super high res. We're talking 300 DPI, and a lot of times they're 10,000 pixels on the longest side. They're hugely detailed, and they look fantastic on all sorts of print-on-demand items. I also love blueprints. We've got 64 vintage mechanical blueprints that are included. These again look fantastic if you're doing fine art prints or print on demand. If you like old vintage stuff, there's a vintage heraldry collection. And this is neat. It features old graphics like mythological figures and animals. There's some really cool stuff inside of this little mini bundle that's included as part of the Crafty Stax Tom Chalky bundle. We've thrown in some vintage sheet music textures as well. These are 1800s handwritten sheet music. I think these look absolutely fantastic, and if you're working in print on demand, this can really make your design pop, really make it look unique. I love Greek mythology and Roman mythology, and we've put some Greek and Roman mythology vectors and transparent PNGs in this collection as well. That's absolutely correct. If you want to see naked guys with spears, if you want to see ladies wearing togas, this is the bundle for you. I just love the detail on this stuff. Tom Chalky is one of the best high quality resource sites online. You can't go wrong with the quality of these assets. So I'm going to put a link in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means I've partnered with Tom Chalky, and I would receive a small commission if you purchase the bundle. It's $34 US. I think it's huge value. We're talking hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And I would encourage you also to check out Tom Chalky's website. There's a section right here for free downloads as well. So when you go to Tom Chalky, click on the link in the video description, go to free downloads, and you can check out some free assets as well to gauge how much you like the quality of these amazing assets provided by Tom Chalky. A huge thank you to Tom Chalky. I absolutely love their website. I love the company, and I think Tom's a cool guy too. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand journey and have some fun doing it.